History. Founded in 1209, Cambridge is the second oldest university in the English-speaking world. Collegiate system. Cambridge is composed of 30 colleges and 150 departments, faculties, and other institutions. Academics. World-leading research. Cambridge is a global leader in research, with 97% of its research deemed world-leading or internationally excellent. Interdisciplinary approach. Cambridge is known for its interdisciplinary approach to learning, with many courses combining multiple subjects. Famous alumni. Cambridge has a long list of notable alumni, including 120 Nobel laureates, 11 British prime ministers, and famous figures like Charles Darwin, Isaac Newton. Campus and student life. Beautiful architecture. Cambridge's campus features stunning architecture, including the iconic King's College Chapel. River Cam. The River Cam runs through the heart of Cambridge, offering picturesque views and popular punting tours. Student organizations. Cambridge has over 500 student organizations, covering a wide range of interests, from sports and music to cultural and academic societies. Rankings and reputation. Global rankings. Cambridge consistently ranks among the top universities globally, including being ranked number 3 in the QS World University Rankings 2022. Academic reputation. Cambridge has an outstanding academic reputation, with many of its departments and faculties ranked as among the best in the world. Admissions and fees. Competitive admissions. Admission to Cambridge is highly competitive, with an acceptance rate of around 21%. Fees. Tuition fees for undergraduate students at Cambridge range from €26,442 to €38,472 per year, depending on the course and student's nationality.